so grateful with my client who referred me to his two friends. Etong client na to, let's name him Tom. Si Tom, actually hindi ko siya client. Yung existing agent niya kasi no longer connected with Moneylife. So nalipat sa akin yung account niya. I gave him good service and then natuwa siya. And also, he has good experience with his Moneylife plan. In yung time na he was down, he needs money. Sakto, yung plan niya is due na for payout. And sobrang nakatulong ito sa kanyang financial status during that time. Si Tom, nakita niya yung mga kaibigan niya ngayon, not aware about how to manage their funds. For instance, kung saan napupunta yung pera nila. And takot sila mag-invest because naka-experience ng scam. They don't have any idea on investment companies. Baka kayo din, you are like Tom, wherein you have a Moneylife plan and wala na nagsaservice sa inyo, you can message me and I'll be here at your service. O kaya naman, meron kayong nakikitang friends ninyo na hindi alam what to do with their funds. Feel free to introduce them to me and I'm happy to explain to them paano nila i-manage yung pera nila, paano natin papalaguin. I will break it down to them, mga investment companies na pwedeng lagyan ng pera and paano nila i-manage ito.